Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making the ultimate classic lasagna. It has layers of rich meat sauce, silky ricotta, and a massive mountain of gooey cheese everyone is going to love. I promise you every single bite is completely worth it, so let's get started. Grab a deep pot or a Dutch oven over medium heat and toss in a tablespoon of olive oil, add a pound of sweet Italian sausage, and 3/4 of a pound of lean ground beef. We're going to break this up while it browns, and we're going to add a cup of minced white onion and a teaspoon of garlic. And continue to cook that until it's all browned down. Once your meat is fully browned, let's talk tomatoes. Pour in 29 ounces of tomato sauce, 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes. I love using the fire roasted tomatoes here because they give you so much depth of flavor. Then finally, we'll add 12 ounces of tomato paste to get that sauce nice and thick. Go ahead and give everything a stir before we start adding the seasonings next. Now for the fun part, the seasonings. We'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar just to balance out that tomato acidity. Then add 1 teaspoon each salt and pepper, and we'll adjust the seasoning later once all the flavors have come together, so don't go overboard yet. 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of dried basil, 2 tablespoons fresh chopped basil, reserving half of that or 2 tablespoons for the ricotta in the next step. Finally, a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds. That fennel is the secret to getting that authentic old school flavor. I use a coffee grinder to get the right fineness that I want in my sauce. Give the sauce a really good stir. We'll pop the lid on, turn down the heat, and let it simmer for an hour and a half, stirring occasionally as the sauce cooks. Next up, let's make that amazing cheese layer. In a mixing bowl, combine 32 ounces of ricotta cheese with a teaspoon of salt, the rest of your basil, 2 tablespoons, plus some Parmesan cheese. Then beat 2 eggs and add them as well. Make sure those eggs are at room temperature so they blend perfectly. They're going to hold our layers together in our lasagna, which makes it stand. If you want those perfect slices, this layer with that egg is going to be the key. Stir it up until it's beautiful, smooth, and creamy. Like you could eat it then if you wanted to, but don't because we don't eat raw eggs. While that whole sauce is making your house smell incredible, let's prep the noodles. Boil them in a big pot of salted water for about 8 to 10 minutes. Usually the box will tell you a time, and we want to actually cook it just shy of that time that the box says so that they're al dente and ready to take on some of the liquids from our lasagna. Drain the noodles well, then rinse them immediately with cold water. Shocking them with that water stops the cooking and keeps them from sticking together. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now it's finally time to start building the layers and assembling our lasagna. Start by spreading 1.5 cups of that gorgeous meat sauce right on the bottom of a 9 by 13 baking dish. This keeps your bottom noodles from sticking, and then we're going to arrange 6 noodles lengthwise right on top of them. We're going to overlap a bit. Next, we'll spread half of the ricotta mixture evenly over those noodles. I'm using a piping bag here. You can just drop it in spoonfuls and spread it if you want. Top that with a third of your mozzarella cheese, then spoon another 1.5 cups of meat sauce over the cheese. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan over the meat sauce. And now we just repeat the whole thing. Do it all one more time. Layer your 6 lasagna noodles, and we're going to overlap them a bit. Again, it adds stability to our lasagna for those perfect slices when you're sharing this later. Top with the other half of your ricotta mixture and sprinkle plenty of mozzarella cheese over that. Use the final bit of meat sauce and then top it off with every single bit of your remaining mozzarella and Parmesan. Don't skimp on the cheese here. Spray the underside of your tin foil with nonstick spray. That way it won't steal your cheese when you pull it off. You also still want to kind of tent it so that the center is higher than your lasagna as best as possible. So once it's sealed tightly, you're going to pop it in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, pull the foil off. Let it continue baking for another 25 minutes. You want those edges bubbling and the top to be a beautiful golden brown. Wow, the fennel, the sausage, the creamy ricotta, and perfect noodles. This is pure comfort food in a pan. If you love this classic recipe, please head on over to Bake It With Love, where I've shared over 2,000 recipes over the last 10 years. Leave a rating there, give this video a thumbs up, Hit that subscribe button for more home cooked comfort. Happy Sunday cooking and enjoy your family meals, everyone.